of your screen. And if you look at my back, that's my collection. But today we're gonna do a mail call, okay? So this just came in. This is basically an order from Big Bad Toy Store, and I basically pre-ordered the Sauron wave. So with further ado, let's open this big bad boy up. So pretty excited about this. This is my first time I actually bought a whole wave. Usually don't do this, but I usually go hunt them, but we got other things to do this week, so I'm like, well, might as well get them. And Sharm was surprised to get all his at Big Bad Toy Store. I can't talk today, but anyway. So here is the box. Woo. Now that's kind of weird. I was hoping it would be coming in a case, but they packed it in a box like this. Woo. I don't know if you can see that. Let's just. That's what the box looks like. All right. I always like how they package things. Alright, so what we got here is some promotions. I still need to get Psylocke and Multiple Man in this wave. Rocking my X-Men shirt. 90s, you know how it is. Alright, so let's start off with, we got Lady Deadpool. Yeah. Can't wait to open her up. Next in line, we got X-Men. Woohoo! Man. Bishop. Look at that. Bishop. There we go. Side, side. I'm going to do that with the Lady Deadpool. Yeah, here's the Lady Deadpool again. Back. Side to side. Okay. Then we got Deadpool in his underwear. Nice, side to side. In the back. Look at all that accessory in the Sauron. Just looks really, really good. And then the one that I really want, the second one I really want, is we have Omega Red. Woohoo, yes. This is one of the figures I really wanted to get, and probably one of the hardest ones to hunt down, so there we go. And then coming next to here, we have, this is a really cool figure. I mean, I have an X-22, but this, man, this is gonna go really perfect with my X-Men. That there, that. All right, last but not least, not too excited about this figure, but it's part of the wave, but I think I might do a custom with it. It's this Deadpool. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna customize this one to be Morph. Once I get my Multiple Man, I think I will switch heads with this and try to make this one a Morph. But pretty cool figure. I just think they're just doing too much Deadpool, Hasbro. You stop with Deadpool. Anyway, but yeah. So this was my unboxing. I will review these guys in another late video. So hopefully you guys can stick around and check out that channel. There we go. We got those guys. And then we got these last two bishops. Yeah. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and check out my unboxing for these guys, or my reviews. keep on collecting. Peace and have a good night.